Welcome back, everyone. So today we're looking at the G231 Prodigy Logitech headset. I picked up this headset at Amazon for $43.99. I'll have the link down below for you guys to check it out. So this headset works with everything: consoles, PCs, your phone if you just want to use them for headphones, or whatever you choose. This headset comes with 40mm drivers for a great stereo sound. Alright, now let's open it up. The packaging does seem a little cheap, but that's alright. We open this up. Let's get the headset out. It's got some wires sticking out. Here you just have a little manual book, nothing no one's ever going to read. So let's look at the headset. First impression, cool color. I like the gray. It has a little bit of, little shiny logo. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but it's gray, orange. I like the look of it. The headset, nice little rubber. You can bend it around. Overall, the headset looks pretty nice. It seems a little cheap, but let's put it on. It feels pretty good, actually. A very comfortable and lightweight headset, if you ask me. The cable is very cool, and it is braided, and it just plugs right into your Xbox with a 3.5mm audio aux cord. And it does come with an adapter for PC gamers for the mic in and the audio out with a splitter. Alright, that was a super quick review, but overall it seems like a nice, cheap, nice sounding headset. I played a little bit earlier with them before I made the video, and overall it's a great headset for under $50. So link in the description, check it out. See you guys in the next video.